We're going to take the cupcake holders and put the melted chocolates inside. We're going to take a brush and take some of the melting chocolate and put it inside. It's important not to have any holes when you make it, because the caramel is supposed to go inside, and if you have holes, of course it's gonna drip out. So we're gonna put it around like that. Put a little bit more. Here we go. Like this. I'm gonna make the 200 grams of the white chocolate makes about 36 to 40 little chocolate cupcake holders. I'm gonna fill about that amount. After we finish with all the with putting all the chocolate inside the cupcake holders, we need to put it in the refrigerator for an hour so it will cool off, and we'll be able to take the chocolate out of the cupcake holders.